Ng'ennaku z'omwezi 14 omwezi guno, omuwandiisi mu ofiisi ya President Hajji Kakande yafulumya ekiwandiiko ekiyimiriza abadde amyuka RCC Rcc Anderson Burora wamu n'abalala ku bigambibwa nti bano bazze bayisa olugabi mu mateeka agafuga abakozi ba gavumenti kwosa n'okulengeza abakulembeze ababasinga. Bw'abadde alabiseeko mu kakiiko ka Paalamenti akavunaanyizibwa ku nsonga z'obwa President aka Parliamentary Committee on Presidency akakubirizibwa Honorable Jessica Ababiku akiikirira abantu be Adjumani, Hajji Kakande ayogedde ku nneeyisa y'aba RDC okwetooloola eggwanga n'engeri gye babadde bakwatamu ensonga zaabwe n'anokolayo ba RDC abazze beenyigira mu mivuyo nga ne Burora mu mutwalidde.
With some misconduct of the RDCs. Those are isolated cases, and where we have seen them, we have gone very fast to deal with them. I can give you examples over years which we have handled. We had a case of Ginger, of our RDC in Ginger, who went and engaged even in arresting a person, and then in the process the person died. We took action against him. We took him to court. He was charged, and eventually we discharged him. Now,
agamba nti Burora azza vvoola abakulu mu gavumenti ekimenya amateeka nga yagezaako okumuwabula n'okumulabula n'agaana okuwuliriza nga kye kyamuwaliriza okumuyimiriza.
We have the recent case which Honorable Sasaga has talked about. We have done. The moment we saw it on the television, we did not even waste time. We called him and we suspended him for 28 days. Now we are going to send him to the Sanctions Committee for now interdiction, proper interdiction, and be on half pay. And again, that is the process of how we weed them out.
Ategeezezza nti bafubye okubangula ba RDC mu nkola y'emirimu okwetooloola eggwanga lyonna n'alambulwa ne ku nsimbi eziweebwa abantu bano wamu n'abamyuka baabwe.
More than we can. I don't think that there is any gap, and we are continuing. Recently, about 2 weeks ago, we had a workshop for all the RDCs and deputy RDCs in Lango region. We had in January all RDCs in the Buganda Central region in Mukono. And next time we are continuing Arua and other regions, having periodic training and capacity building for these officers. So in terms of allowances, I think when you go to the field, honorable member, with your help, when you continue increasing our budget, another DC now gets 3 million per month.
Okay. Yes.
And the deputy gets 2.2 billion per month. You hope that when you increase even this budget, we shall increase that allowances which you are giving to them. And all the support staff in the district, office attendants, drivers, secretaries, we give them 400,000 shillings per month as allowances.
Honorable Fadil akiikirira abantu b'Ettinge County ekiri mu district y'e Kapchora bw'ati bw'ayogedde ku nsonga eno.
We at least with that one we are going to meet with the Secretariat of RDCs and we discuss how we can build the capacity of RDCs, because we have seen that those who feel they are very powerful, who feel that even the president in our districts and so on. So we need to meet the RDC Secretariat and we discuss over that.
Nzaneti Namatovu ku Rcc TV Agaleero.